Welcome to the heart of the cultural capital of Sri Lanka, where ancient history meets luxurious comfort. Today, we invite you to experience an oasis of tranquility nestled in the hills, Jetwing Kandy Gallery. Set against the breathtaking backdrop of the Knuckles mountain range, Jetwing Kandy Gallery offers a unique blend of luxury, heritage, and nature. Whether you're here to explore the cultural wonders of Kandy or just unwind in the serene landscapes, this is where your journey begins. As you step into the hotel, you're greeted by the warm smiles of the staff, embodying Sri Lanka's renowned hospitality. From the very moment you arrive, every detail is meticulously crafted to make your stay unforgettable. Jetwing Kandy Gallery prides itself on being a sanctuary that caters to your every need, with an emphasis on personalized service. The hotel provides an intimate and peaceful atmosphere away from the bustle of the city. Each of the hotel's elegantly appointed rooms and suites offers spectacular views of the lush greenery. Outside, picture waking up to the sight of mist slowly lifting off the mountains, while enjoying the comfort of your luxurious bed. With modern amenities and touches of Sri Lankan design, your room becomes a private retreat. From the plush linens to the inviting bathtub, everything has been thoughtfully designed to offer the ultimate in relaxation. Step outside and you'll find the infinity pool, where the water seems to blend seamlessly with the horizon. It's the perfect spot to cool off, soak in the views, and feel completely at one with nature. For a moment of calm, the poolside offers a perfect escape, letting you relax as you take in the sweeping vistas of the surrounding hills and forested landscapes. When it comes to dining, Jetwing Kandy Gallery takes you on a culinary journey. Indulge in a fusion of international flavors and traditional Sri Lankan dishes, each one carefully crafted using fresh, locally sourced ingredients. From the mouth-watering seafood curries to gourmet international plates, each dish is prepared with love and attention to detail. Dining here is not just a meal, it's an experience. Immerse yourself in the rich culture of Kandy with special performances of traditional Kandyan dance. These vibrant shows bring the heritage of Sri Lanka to life, right within the comfort of your stay. The rhythms and movements of the Kandyan dances remind you that Kandy is not just a place, but a living symbol of Sri Lanka's proud history and culture. For the adventurous traveler, Jetwing Kandy Gallery offers access to a wealth of outdoor activities. Just a short distance from the hotel, the scenic hiking trails of the Knuckles mountain range await. Walk through mist-covered forests, listen to the sounds of nature, and feel the refreshing mountain air. Whether you're seeking serenity or a connection to nature, these trails provide the perfect escape from the everyday. With panoramic views that will leave you in awe. And after a day of exploring, indulge in a rejuvenating spa treatment. The spa at Jetwing Kandy Gallery offers a range of traditional therapies, combining ancient healing techniques with modern relaxation methods to refresh both your body and mind. Let your stresses melt away as skilled therapists use natural herbs and oils to soothe tired muscles, leaving you feeling completely rejuvenated. As the day comes to an end, Jetwing Kandy Gallery transforms into a haven of peace under the stars. Enjoy a candlelit dinner on the terrace, accompanied by the gentle sounds of nature and the cool evening breeze. At Jetwing Kandy Gallery, every moment feels like a serene escape, a place where luxury and nature coexist in perfect harmony. Whether you're here to explore the cultural wonders of Kandy, or simply to relax and unwind in nature, Jetwing Kandy Gallery offers an experience like no other. Come, Discover the magic of Sri Lanka's highlands, and let your journey begin here. Subscribe to Sri Lanka Sanchare for more unique travel experiences across Sri Lanka. Your next adventure awaits.